He was the one who killed 400 hyenas by himself, killed 130 male lions. No one has the guts and courage to defeat him. He is the only one who killed adult hippopotamus in solo fight. He drove the crocodiles out of his territory, ruled from 2017 to 2021 on the land of Masai Mara in Kenya. He has a scar over his eye which was caused by a fight with an alpha male lion and giving him his name. He was born like a king, lived like a king, died peacefully like a king. He is Scarface.